Happy New Year everyone! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng creamy and cheesy carbonara. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. Chef, at this point, gagawa tayo ng kanyang sauce. Sa isang preheated pan, ilagay natin yung ating bacon. So, ayan, hiniwa ko siya ng maliliit ka, chef. Piprituhin lang natin ang ating bacon, chef, hanggang sa lumabas ang kanyang sariling mantika or hanggang sa mag-crisp and golden brown siya. Ayan, hayaan na lang muna natin dyan ang ating bacon to chef. Balikan natin siya ng at least 3 to 4 minutes. So, ayan na po chef ang ating piniritong bacon. So, set aside na lang muna natin siya. To do next chef, sa the same pan at sa the same mantika na pinagprituhan natin ng ating bacon, ilagay natin ang ating butter. And after that, dagdag natin ang ating garlic. Saka ang ating onion. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating mushroom. Ayan. Isa lang natin sa chef. So, igisa lang natin ang ating mushroom chef ng at least 2 minutes. Okay, so balikan natin siya later. Chef, okay na yung ating mushroom. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin ang ating carbonara sauce. Hinaan natin ang apoy kasi tumatalsik siya chef. So, ayan chef. Halo lang natin mabuti. And at this point, pwede na nating idagdag ang ating cheese. Ang ating bacon. Ayan. So, halo lang natin mabuti ka, French chef. So, ayan na po ka-French chef ang ating sauce. Actually, nailagay ko na yung all-purpose cream. Hindi ko lang naipakita dahil meron tayong kunting technical issue. Well, anyway, andyan na yung ating bacon, yung ating all-purpose cream at saka yung ating celery. So, ayan. Almost done na siya. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin ang ating pasta. Inaalang natin ng apoy. Mix lang natin ka-French chef. So, ayan na po ka-French chef. Luto na yung ating creamy and cheesy carbonara. Okay, so ready for serving na siya ka-French chef. Ka-French chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating creamy and cheesy carbonara. Okay? So, garnish lang natin siya ng celery. Ayan. Dagdagan natin ng bacon. Malinis yung kamay ko ka-French chef, ha? Baka sabihin yung hindi ako naghugas ng kamay. So, yan na po siya ka-French chef. And then, dagdagan pa natin ng cheese. Okay, so ayan na po ka-French chef ang ating cheesy and creamy carbonara. Okay ka-French chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating creamy and cheesy carbonara for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mirah at your service. Always remember, learn to love without condition, talk without bad intention, give without any reason, and care for people without any expectation. Okay, thank you very much, ka-French chef. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all and Happy New Year, and have a safe New Year, everyone. Bye!